Mitral valve repair, a heart-healthy choice. The mitral valve controls blood flow in your heart. But sometimes, this valve can become leaky or stiff, causing heart problems. Mitral valve repair is a surgical procedure to fix a damaged mitral valve. Why choose mitral valve repair? Less invasive. Preserves your own heart valve. Faster recovery time. Improved long-term outcomes. If you are experiencing symptoms like shortness of breath, fatigue, or irregular heartbeat, consult your doctor immediately.